the perfect step-by-step LinkedIn marketing plan for 2020. Hey there, friends. You've just seen LinkedIn in action and all the things the platform can help you accomplish with your business. Now it is important that you have a clear vision of how you'll use LinkedIn to reach your business goals, or otherwise you won't accomplish much, at least not in the way you'd like, and your progress will be slow at best. Because of this, we're going to share our step-by-step LinkedIn marketing plan for 2020 with you. Here you'll find an outline of how to properly execute LinkedIn marketing this year and beyond, so you can grow your business faster and more easily. Step number 1. Define your marketing goals. The most important questions that you have to answer before you do anything on LinkedIn are: what is it that you want to achieve with LinkedIn marketing? What are your marketing goals? Whether you want to use LinkedIn to reach decision makers in your industry, to create awareness about your brand among potential B2B clients, or to add a professional segment to your mailing list, you have to start by defining your goal. By having your marketing goal clear from the start, it will be easier for you to know exactly how to market yourself and your business on LinkedIn, and what type of content you can share with your audience there. Step number 2. Create and optimize your profile. This step popped up as lesson number 1 in our training for a reason. It's a given that you have to create a profile when you join LinkedIn, but it is so important to optimize it right away. This is because LinkedIn users are actively growing their networks all the time, which means that by optimizing your profile the moment you join the platform, you won't miss the opportunity to be found by the right decision maker at the right moment. By optimizing your profile first thing, you can start doing other LinkedIn stuff, such as creating your company page, and not worry about not being relevant because you already built your presence. Your profile creates the first impression when a potential customer, B2B client, or prospective business partner visits. So, if you have an optimized profile from the start, these prospects will likely send you an invitation to connect the moment they see your profile. If not, they'll think you're just a placeholder account and will likely ignore your profile when they stumble upon it again. Step number 3. Create and optimize your company page. Same applies to company pages. It isn't enough to create a company page where you add the name of your company, a logo, and a location. If you do this, your company page will be nothing but a placeholder. You have to go the extra mile and optimize it with information that is relevant to decision makers in your industry, and to add a series of content pieces. For this, you can repurpose content from your blogs and video channels. Furthermore, you have to optimize your company page for search right from the beginning. This is important because you'll find plenty of competition on LinkedIn. So optimizing the content in your pages and your pages for reach according to your goals will give you a potent competitive edge. Optimizations you can apply in your company page include inserting search engine optimizations, such as keywords and search terms, within your company page details and in your content. Other optimizations that can help you improve rankings and organic outreach include building backlinks to your company page on external websites and blogs, and curating content from relevant proven sources so your followers share it with others inside the platform. Step number 4. Grow your audience. Once you set up your profile and company page, you are going to start growing your audience. This is an important step that will work as a gateway to accomplishing your final marketing goals. Because when you grow your audience on LinkedIn, you not only build a strong network, you also build social proof for your business. And this will be important down the line, because having an active network of company page followers increases trust in your brand, and you will be able to use this as social currency. What this means is that you can use your active network of contacts and followers as proof that your business is worth investing in. This is why growing your audience first is vital to achieving your goals. Step number 5. Create and publish original content. Successful LinkedIn marketers thrive on original content because that's what keeps people going back to their profiles and company pages. And you can reverse engineer this simple strategy by publishing your own original content on a regular basis. The best type of content that you can publish on LinkedIn is content that LinkedIn audiences find interesting. That is, content that helps them grow professionally and that helps them learn more about their industries and areas of expertise. Step number 6. Sponsor your content and create ads. This is as true for LinkedIn as it is true for any other platform. Organic outreach can only take you so far until you stagnate. What this means is that organic reach and engagement have a peak where it gets increasingly difficult to keep growing. If you want to keep growing and reaching a larger audience, you'll have to start sponsoring your posts and creating ads. Just make sure that you do it after completing the steps outlined before. The idea is that you have a strong presence, a significant collection of content pieces, and a large following before you reach more people with promoted posts and ads. Step number 7. Analyze your performance. It is important that you keep an eye on how well you do on LinkedIn. The platform makes it easy for you to monitor your performance through different analytics tools. LinkedIn Company Page Analytics, Analytics for Publishing, and Campaign Manager Analytics for ads and promoted posts. These tools will help you see detailed performance metrics that you can benchmark against the performance of your competition, as well as against your own goals. This can help you see which are your strong areas and which areas you need to improve.